From News 19, I'm meteorologist Daniel Bonds. We're tracking the potential for stormy weather on Sunday morning through the mid-afternoon hours. We'll have to watch for the chance for damaging wind gusts and flash flooding. So you do want to have multiple ways to get those weather warnings and or watches if any are issued. So cell phone, obviously a good thing if you do have a weather radio, and local TV and radio will also give you those warnings. A watch, a little bit different. That means conditions are favorable. So at that point, you need to know where to go if severe weather hits and have ways to receive those weather alerts. A warning means bad weather is happening or is about to happen. If you do have a tornado warning, you want to go to the lowest floor away from windows and doors, and you want to be alert even when you do not see danger. You don't want to go outside and look for storms when you are under a warning. Saturday, we're watching this area in red. This is a moderate risk for severe weather. It does include Alabama, parts of Florida, over towards Mississippi and Louisiana. Now this threat will shift a little bit more towards the east on Sunday. Most of the Carolinas and all of the Midlands under this slight risk for severe weather. So this would be a level 2 out of 5. So that means scattered severe storms possible, short-lived and or not widespread, isolated intense storms possible. So once again, this is a level 2 out of 5. We're also going to have to watch for excessive rainfall. That could lead to some flash flooding. That's going to be the case all across the Midlands and most of South Carolina as well. Very quiet weather conditions today. We'll call it mainly sunny. A few clouds possible tonight. A little bit of fog possible tomorrow morning. May even have a shower or two in the eastern half of the Palmetto State down towards the Low Country, the PD, and maybe the extreme eastern part of the Midlands. As we go into Sunday morning, though, that's when we're really going to be watching the chance for severe weather. This is 6 o'clock Sunday morning. This is the latest run of our forecast model. You know, to 6 o'clock, and then as we get to 8 o'clock, that line of showers and storms basically from Rock Hill down I-77 down towards Aiken County. All this activity continues to push towards the east. This is 10 o'clock. The weather does start to improve a little bit in the upstate of South Carolina. By noon, still more shower and thunderstorm activity. Looking ahead towards 2 o'clock, the showers, storms, along and just west of I-95, and then as we get into the mid-afternoon hours, that threat for severe weather will start to decrease, although there still could be some rain in the Low Country and we'll say the PD down towards parts of the Grand Strand. So there still could be some rain later in the day on Sunday. Short term, St. Pat's in 5 points. The weather's looking good with high temperatures in the upper 70s and low 80s, although it will be a bit breezy at times tomorrow with winds out of the south anywhere from 15 to 20 miles per hour. Tree pollen, a problem for a lot of us, is juniper, birch, and elm trees causing those seasonal allergies issues if you are suffering at this point. Although pollen levels will drop a little bit on Sunday because of the rain and clouds and slightly cooler conditions. 76 degrees was our high yesterday. No rain since Monday. That will change as we go into Sunday. Record highs 88, record lows 20. The record rainfall and record snowfall obviously will be safe. That record snowfall, one of the older records set in 1896. Best chance rain Sunday. We'll have another chance rain on Thursday. The American forecast model showing that better chance for rain on Sunday. Not really showing a chance for rain on Thursday, but as of now, we do have a chance for some showers on Thursday. Highs today, upper 70s to low 80s. Lows tonight only dropping down into the low to mid 50s, so it'll be a relatively mild start to your weekend. And we do have Sunday highlighted for the chance for severe weather. St. Patrick's Day, the weather looks pretty good with highs in the mid 60s, mid 70s on Tuesday, back to near 80 on Wednesday with another chance to rain on Thursday. Lake forecast Saturday, obviously the better day. There'll probably be a lake wind advisory issued for at least parts of the weekend. Do believe at least on Sunday, maybe even Saturday. So keep that in mind if you're going to be heading to our area lakes. Saturday, few showers possible, Hilton Head, Edisto, and then we do expect storms on Sunday. That's going to be the case for the Grand Strand, Myrtle Beach with a high temperature of, we'll say about upper 60s to near 70, both Saturday and Sunday. A little bit of fog possible Saturday morning along the Grand Strand. Storms in Charleston, first half of the weekend not bad though, with highs in the middle 70s. And Greenville, expecting those storms on Sunday. Saturday should be fine with temperatures in the mid 70s for the first half of the weekend. Warmer than normal conditions March 21st through March 27th. slightly wetter than normal conditions across the south as well. You can always follow me on these social media outlets. Have a great Friday, great weekend, and pay attention to the weather, especially for the second half of the weekend for that chance for some severe weather.